Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, your favorite girl, Anastasia, and I am back again with another video. And guys, this video is going to be a hair review video. And guess what? This hair review video is from a company called Ali Grace Hair. Hey, Ali Grace Hair sent me a very cute hair. I cannot wait to show you guys this hair. And I must say that the delivery of this hair, it was so fast. Like, I was like, what's going on? The hair came really fast. I just want to open up the bag for you guys and show you what is inside. And you can see the bag is a very cute satin bag. And moment of truth, yes, this is the hair. This is the beautiful hair they sent me. Can you see this hair? And this hair is a closure wig, very beautiful. It is a bob wig. It's so fine. I love this hair so much. As in, look at the color. Can you see the color on this hair? Can you see the color on this hair? I've always wanted to try out a wig that is short, like cropped like this. I've always wanted to try it, straight hair, and this is the perfect time for me to try something like this. The hair came with a wig cap, which is very necessary because you know that you need a wig cap. And it also came with this cute card. Can you see this cute card? It came with this cute card, and you can see show your beauty with Ali Grace Hair. And when you open the card, it's just like every single thing about how to maintain your hair and every single thing about them here. Like, it's just about them, this card. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Guys, honestly, this is Anastasia, but right now I am looking like Ciara. You all know Ciara now, the beautiful American musician. That is what your girl is looking like right now. Like, that is what your girl is looking like right now. Like, this hair has transformed me from Anastasia to the Nigerian Ciara. Because what? This hair is so pretty, guys. I love it so much. Like, this is the first time that I am even trying on a bob wig. Like, I always try to be on the safer side by using just curly wigs or straight wig, but I never ever knew that a bob wig will look so good on me. Because like, I'm so surprised. Like, this hair is so beautiful. If y'all are scared of trying out bob wigs, if y'all are scared, like you just want to be on the safer side, make sure you try a bob wig today. Because if a bob wig can fit me, there is no how that a bob wig cannot fit you. Like, honestly, I am so impressed by this hair. And guys, this hair is the straight highlight closure bob wig, and it is in 12 inches, and the density is 180%. Can you all see how the hair is? And this hair is a closure hair. Oh, it is not a frontal. This is a closure hair, and you can see how the hair is looking like a frontal hair. You can see how the hair is looking like a frontal hair. Like, honestly guys, I love this hair so much. I love the highlights of this hair. And guys, like I always used to say that Christmas is coming. Christmas is not even coming anymore. Christmas is close. Christmas is very, very close. And honestly, I'm going to slay my Christmas. Are you going to slay your Christmas? Like, are you going to slay your Christmas? If you are used to trying out maybe curly straight hair, you should definitely give this bob a trial. Give this bob wig a trial, because this hair is absolutely beautiful. Yo, this hair came pretty fast. Ali Grace hair, you all are the absolute best. Thank you so much for sending me such cute hair. And guys, every single thing about this hair is going to be in my description box. Every single detail on this hair is going to be in my description box. And like I said earlier, this hair is in the density 180%, and it is a 12 inches bob wig, so it is just the perfect length. We use this straightener to like give it this bend, because it's like a bob wig, so you want to give it like this bob tip. So this is just what I use to like achieve this bendy looking bobbish thing that is going on. Make sure you are checking my description box, because y'all don't want to be left out during this Christmas season. You do not want to be left out this Christmas season, because people are going to slay. We are all going to slay this Christmas season. So make sure you purchase your own bob wig. Like, I recommend this hair for you guys. Like, honestly, I recommend this hair. The texture is top notch. Guys, can you see the texture of this hair? The texture is top notch. I really recommend this hair. If you are trying to like get something that is different from what you would normally get before, definitely get this hair. The density, the hair is very full. The hair is very full, so it is not scanty at all. It is very full. So pretty, easy to put on. I did not even have to use any got to be glue or got to be spray. I just like put the wig on. Y'all can see I just put the wig on, and I use some edge control to like do some edges. I didn't even put any single gel at all. There's going to be a link in the description box, and if you click that link, it's going to take you straight to this hair. And I've noticed that most of us do not know how to like get to the description box. As you're watching this video right now, click on the title. When you click on the title, it is going to take you to the description box, and when you get to the description box, you're going to see every single detail on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.